I know you want to know what's in my Louis, right? So the first thing is my favorite. Condoms! Sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. I know. I know. I know. I shop at Costco. It's almost done. Next is my Buddha. Isn't he cute? When I'm like on a date with a guy or whatever and you know like something doesn't feel right, like he doesn't order rosé, I'll just like pull Buddha out and I'll go, Buddha, Buddha, hey! Buddha, 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 Buddha! And then everything feels alright and I feel better about making him pay, like every time. Oh my god, the next thing I want to show you is this. This is my gay whistle. If ever I want fashion advice, I just need to use this and it lets off this high-pitched sound that only gay men can hear. Let me demonstrate. If you can hear it, that means you're gay. And finally, my mat kit. Some say that it has my face in it. Now I'm ready for my close-up.
I'm a bee, 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 I'm a bee.